Have you ever wondered how millions of perfectly crunchy potato chips are mass-produced inside a modern factory? It all starts right here, inside the factory, where tons of fresh potatoes arrive every single hour. Watch how these raw ingredients enter the fully automated production line to become your favorite snack. First, high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes wash away every single grain of dirt. Next, centrifugal peeling drums gently strip away the outer skin without wasting any flesh. A final rinse ensures only spotless, perfectly peeled potatoes move to the slicing station. High-speed rotary blades slice the potatoes. They create razor-thin layers with surgical precision.
The slices are immediately washed in cold water to remove natural starch for extra crispiness.
Air knives blast off all surface water droplets before the slices enter the hot oil. Now comes the magic. Slices submerge into continuous bubbling hot golden oil. Fresh golden chips emerge from the fryer and move across a vibrating belt to drain excess oil. Warm chips tumble inside a massive rotating drum, getting coated in rich, savory flavor. Every single chip gets an even coating of spice, giving it that delicious taste. Advanced optical cameras inspect every chip, instantly ejecting any burnt or perfect ones. A high-speed multi-head scale measures precise portions for every bag in milliseconds. Every single chip gets an even coating of spice, giving it delicious taste. A high-speed multi-head scale measures precise portions for every bag in milliseconds.
The chips drop into clean, transparent bags, which are flushed with nitrogen to keep them fresh.
The bags are heat-sealed, sealed and packed, ready to deliver crunch and freshness to the world.